College life is expensive, but with the right budget, you can learn how to manage your money and still enjoy your time as a college student. Let me show you how to budget in 2025. The first step to budgeting is knowing where your money is going. So start by tracking all your income. It could be from a part-time job, financial aid, or help from your family. Also, track all your expenses, like food, rent, or transportation. Categorize all your expenses, like rent, food, groceries, and entertainment. This will help you know where your money is going and you can cut back if necessary. Set a realistic budget for every category, but always be honest with yourself about your spending habits and look for areas where you can save. And always, but always, set some money aside for savings, even if it's just a small amount. Do you know what the 50-30-20 rule is? Set 50% of your income for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for debt repayment or savings. Life happens, and unexpected expenses are part of it. Make sure to set money aside every month to create an emergency fund, so you can tackle anything that comes your way. Look at where you can cut back, like subscriptions, dining out, or getting a drink every day. Freeing up some money can help you invest it in better things, like savings or paying off debt. Take advantage of student discounts. Many stores, websites, and apps offer discounts for college students, whether it's on textbooks, streaming services, or tech. Every little bit helps. Textbooks can be a big expense, so buy them used, rent them, or even check if your library has digital copies of them. Websites like Amazon, Chegg, or eBay often have better discounts and different alternatives. A budget isn't set in stone. You can always make adjustments and change things around. If you find that you're spending more in one category, you can cut back and put that money towards something else. Meal planning and cooking at home can save you a ton of money. Avoid buying expensive takeout by planning every week what your next meal will be. Budgeting in college doesn't have to be hard. We hope this list was helpful. Let us know in the comments down below what your favorite tip was. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. To learn more about Ensign College, click the link down below. See you next time.